Wake up to classy colours, sleek style, and modern luxury every day in June Homes 10036 New York. An enchanting student sanctuary where the university life of your dreams comes alive. Depending on which of these gorgeous en-suites, non-ensuites, and 5-bedroom you choose, you can enjoy a comfy bed for restful nights, the ideal workspace, ample closet space, a big screen TV for cinematic movie nights, in-unit laundry for breezy wash days, and an expertly equipped kitchen along with your own room and private or shared bathroom. Now that's the perfect housing package. But wait, it gets better. This prime location places you moments away from Touro University and John Jay College of Criminal Justice. All it takes is a sweet stroll to get to class on time. With the buses on Willow Avenue, plus the light rail stations on 2nd Street in Hoboken, you can cruise through the lively bustle of the Big Apple with ease. Don't let your unforgettable NYC uni life pass you by. Come to June Homes 10036 New York via amberstudent.com today.